Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications from the two different universities, and I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the teaching vacancies in the universities or else government universities. Fine. And for assistant professor it is a level 10 category. Okay, that means you are going to get 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And coming under the different non-teaching vacancies, okay, one position is there. For that one, any graduate can apply with typing speed. You are going to get the 63,200 rupees per month. Fine. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two universities recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Well, coming to the present content of the video, so the first one we are going to see here is the Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya from Varanasi. Okay, it is the first university that we are going to see. And for advertisement, please visit the employment news dated 24 to 30th July 2021. So here the applications are invited from the Indian citizens on the prescribed form for the following teaching as well as the non-teaching positions. So coming to the teaching positions, the women candidates only has to apply, and coming to the non-teaching positions, anybody can apply, okay, male or female. So the assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments Hindi, English and painting, and the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. So each and every department one vacancy is there, and based upon the caste category also mentioned. And it is a level 10 category, so the salary is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. And coming to the non-teaching positions, the first one is PA2 principal, laboratory assistant home science, lower divisional clerk, laboratory attendant. So here also under the unreserved category, for each and every position one vacancy is there, and the pay scales are also mentioned here, so you may check down. So laboratory assistant 25,000 to 81,100, and LDC 19,900 to 63,200 rupees per month, and laboratory attendant is also mentioned here. And whatever in the thumbnail or else the starting of this video, I told that any graduate can apply with some word speed, okay, typing word speed. So that is this lower divisional clerk, okay, you may get up to 63,200 rupees per month. And coming to the assistant professor in Hindi, English and painting women candidates only, qualifications and each and everything as per the UGC regulations 2018. UGC regulations means the candidate must have the post graduation with the UGC NET in the particular departments or the disciplines. And coming to the PA principal, okay, one vacancy is there under the unreserved category. Essential qualifications are graduate or postgraduate from recognized university with 55% of marks, degree or diploma in computer applications or computer science, typing speed of 40 words per minute in English and the 30 words per minute in Hindi. That means personal assistant to the principal. PA is nothing but personal assistant to the principal. Fine. So these are the qualifications. Any graduate, any postgraduate with 55% of marks, but degree or diploma must be there in the computer applications or the computer science, and typing speed of the 40 words per minute must be there in English and 30 words per minute in the Hindi. And few desirables are also mentioned, so you may check down. And coming to the laboratory assistant home science, graduate with home science from a recognized university, and here also the English or Hindi typing speed must be there. And coming to the lower divisional clerk, any graduate, 63,200 rupees per month with the English or Hindi typing speed. Fine. And coming to the laboratory attendant, so graduate with geography or psychology certificate course in computer, or intermediate with the geography or psychology certificate course in computer, okay, at least 6 months and 3 years the relevant experience. Maximum age limit 18 to 30 years of the age for a general category, and upper age limit will be relaxation as per the government of India rules for SC, ST and the OBC candidates. Fine. So these are all the things, and call letters for attending the interview or test will be sent only to the shortlisted candidates. Okay. And yeah, for details you may visit the employment news on 24 to 30th July 2021. Okay, a few general instructions are given here, so you please check down all these instructions. And here the duly filled form complete in all respects along with certificates, mark sheets and a MICR coded demand draft of 1000 rupees for general or OBC, and 250 rupees for SC or ST candidates for the post of assistant professor, and 500 rupees for the general or OBC, and 250 rupees for the SC ST for the non-teaching positions, drawn in favor of manager Vasant Kanya Mahavidyalaya, payable at Varanasi. Okay, you have to send on or before 20th August 2021. Fine. So you please once visit the official website of this college and please check down the details. Anyhow, I will provide the link in the description box of this video. Okay, and coming to the second university, what I told is that this one, Bundelkhand University. Okay, Jhansi. Advertisement for the teaching positions in regular departments. So we checked on food technology, mathematics, science and computer applications, tourism and hotel management, library and information science, banking, economics and finance, business administration, geology and Hindi. Okay, so here the pay levels are also mentioned. For assistant professor, the pay level 10, that is 57,700 to 1,82,000 rupees per month. And coming to the qualification is post graduation in the concerned discipline plus UGC NET qualification must be there. And application fee is 1000 rupees and 500 rupees based upon the category. So payment of application is made by demand draft payable at SBA Bundelkhand University Jhansi in favor of finance officer, and the eligible candidates must apply online. Okay, and after successful completion, the PDF of application form, that means hard copy generated, that must be sent by post. Duly filled application form with the DD and self-attested required enclosures must reach by post by the registered or the speed post only to the office of the Register, Bundelkhand University, Kanpur Road, Jhansi, on or before 14th August 2021. Fine. So I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity, and few more details are also given, so you may check down, guys. So I will provide both the links in the description box of this video. And you please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications from my side, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. and whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF.